Hi, I'm Jared, a Belkasoft Digital Forensic Specialist. This is the Belkasoft video series, BelkaTalk, on DFIR. Here we answer your digital forensic questions that you can send us via email or directly in the comments to these videos. Today we have the question, can you show us a step-by-step of an agent-based iOS acquisition? With Belkasoft's latest release of Belkasoft X version 1.10, the iOS agent-based acquisition is easier than ever. It is important to note that for this acquisition method to work, the iOS version must be between iOS version 10.0 up to iOS version 14.3. Also, it's important to note that if you're trying to extract a keychain with this acquisition method, that only works up to iOS version 13.7. Please watch the following video as I walk through an iOS agent-based acquisition with Belkasoft X. For this portion of the demonstration, we will cover the iOS agent-based acquisition with Belkasoft X. So here we are in Belkasoft X. We select Add Data Source, Acquire, Mobile, Apple, and Filter by an iOS device. For this instance, we'll use XR. Select the device. Select Agent Backup. Enter a developer Apple ID and passcode. Select Next. Notice it says it must be version 10 to 14.3. And then we select Next. Now where do we want to store the data when it's acquired? We enter our path, and then it'll say creating a full file system copy for device name. Okay, and so now it has discovered the device. It'll say now what we need to do is trust the device. So now that we've trusted the device, you'll see dumping keychain started. We were able to acquire the keychain.plist. At the top, you'll see how much data has been copied as of this point. Okay, and now we are going to create the full file system copy. So what we're going to do is now say, hey, how do you want to analyze the data that you just got from this device? So we go through our artifacts, hashes, media, and then analyze. So what this is doing now is processing the full file system copy. So we can go into our Task tab, look at the mobile data that's being imported, and it'll give us an idea of what task it's on and how long it's expected to take. Select Artifacts, and if we look at chats, you can see by doing an agent-based acquisition, we were able to get a Signal SQLite database. We were able to look at WhatsApp messages, Snapchat databases, and finally, we go down to passwords. We can see we have 564 artifacts. Notice we have all of the passwords from the keychain file. Thank you for your attention, and please write your questions in the comments below.